everyone! Welcome to Sara Daily English.
A peaceful rainy morning begins in a cozy cottage hidden deep in the forest. The gentle sound of raindrops creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere. A beautiful young girl wakes up with a soft smile and opens her window to enjoy the fresh morning air. After making her bed, she walks into the warm kitchen and prepares a cup of hot tea. She slices fresh bread, spreads butter and honey, and enjoys her breakfast while watching the rain through the window. After breakfast, she waters her indoor plants and lights a small candle, making the house feel even warmer. She spends a quiet afternoon reading her favorite book. While a fluffy cat curls up beside her. Later, she sits near the fireplace and peacefully knits as the rain continues outside. As evening arrives, she prepares a warm bowl of homemade vegetable soup. Soon, the rain stops and golden sunlight shines through the trees. When night falls, she sits quietly beside a glowing lantern,